In this video, you will know how to remove all silent moments from audio files using AI, free and with no limits. The AI tool is BahaaSR. All you have to do is upload your audio file and you'll get back a new file completely free of silent moments. Open Google and search for BahaaSR. You'll see the tool appear like this. Open the website, it'll look like this. The site is available in multiple languages. Choose your preferred one. First, click here to choose your audio file. You can upload files up to 100 megabytes, and the tool supports almost all audio formats. Then click Upload File. Once the upload is complete, click Remove Silence. Within seconds, all the silent parts of the audio will be removed. Then click Download. Within a few seconds, the download link will be ready. Click here to get your new audio file. If we want to compare the file before and after, I'll place them together in the editing program. Obviously, all the silent parts are gone, and the voiceover has become much more engaging and enjoyable for the listener. Try the tool now, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. See you